How to buy Litecoin on Binance crypto website. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy the Litecoin crypto on Binance website in easy fast way. First thing we do, we go to Binance. As you can see, this is the homepage. Now you have to register or log into your account, and after that, after you log into your account, then you go here and choose markets in the top. Then go down and search for Litecoin here. If you didn't find it, just go here to the search bar and write Litecoin. Sorry, Lite, not here. Okay, just search for it here and you will find it, and then click on it like this. And now you have to choose the amount of the Litecoin crypto that you want to buy, for example 500, and here you will find buy now. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.